the 21st, but I'm gonna start the Vlogtober day 22. I'm gonna hop in the shower because I did not do that yet. Gotta clean this hair of mine. Oh, and take out my pluggies. And take a nice shower. Got my towels ready. So hold on one second. All right, we're gonna brush out this crazy hair before we get in the shower because that's what I like to do. Oh, I'm hoping that now that I'm using Clipchamp, the computer, for all my editing stuff, that editing this project I'm working on might go a bit smoother. We'll see. All right, well, I think my hair is about done. It's good and brushed for the shower. One other thing I want to show you, oh my nose, is this stuff that we got for the windows, because we have windows in our bathrooms. So let me show you these real quick. So, oh, it's really pretty. I might have to just like show you tomorrow, but I definitely think they're gorgeous. Anyway, I'm gonna shower and then I'm gonna relax the rest of the night, but I at least got this started. Oh, my video is uploading. Let's see, it's currently, oh, I don't know, I have a message, hang on. 9:18. Let's go check. And we have 23%, 1 hour and 6 minutes. Hey, it's doing better than I thought. Really, bud, is this necessary? Okay, I'll let you in. Can you stop? Buddy, I know, I hear you. Let's go to the door, okay? Good morning. Happy Vlogtober day 22. I'm just getting ready to go to Sam's Club. Gotta get some groceries and some water. And yeah, just getting ready for the day. It is after 11. I was able to sleep until 10, which felt amazing. So yeah. Anyway. This sheep's sick. Look at those little skeletons. He's so cute. No, those are fun. For $6? Hell yeah. We're off to get the wonderful water of Saturdays. Alright, Sam's Club is done. Sorry I didn't film much in there. Now we gotta go get gas, and then I think we're gonna drop off recycling because that's what's in the back. Yeah, come along with us. I have Kyle grabbing stuff that people are throwing away. I'm so excited. I got one of these like cubicle things. I've been wanting to get them to put like my yarn in. So I'm like super stoked. I never come down this way though, so I feel really like out of place on this street. But the people are moving out and like they're getting rid of a mower, so Kyle's taking that to see if he can't like figure out how to get it working again. Yeah, I'm excited. Love when people move out and get shit. Love free shit. Who is this sexy man in green right there? All right, grocery haul time for you. We got more red skin potatoes and more yellow onions, 2 loaves of bread, some Johnsonville original bratwurst, which we're gonna divvy up into different bags and freeze most of them. Pork loin. We got some uncured Black Forest ham, 2% milk. Oh, I guess the last thing is we got 3 cases of water. 1, and I put the other 2 right there. And then this bad boy is what was left over that I'm gonna just toss in the fridge. That's my small grocery haul, y'all. Now I want to show you the chairs that we picked up from the house down the street. So this one and that one. And then we got this this thing. And then these photos. So this one and that one. So I'm pretty excited about that. I'm gonna get some water in me, maybe have lunch. And I'm going to charge my phone because I fell asleep before I charged it last night. So we're going to do all that. And I'm going to work on my vlog for today. So while that's all getting uploaded to the PC. And yeah, I got to put my plugs in. And I will see you soon. Okay, so today I am going to work on the office. Well, I guess it's office / craft room because I have my shit. But like, yeah, I just have a lot of stuff that's disorganized. So I'm gonna bring that cubby thing in here and it's gonna go there. Also caving and turning the heat on because it's 65 fucking degrees in here. So cold. Hey Ziggy, what's the temperature outside?
Right now, it's 49 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 43 degrees.
I'm gonna put my scraps into this box. Seek magic every day. I have some more like random projects and scraps. Well, projects, but not really scraps. I have some other like boxes. That I can use for something, but for now, I think it just kind of looks nice as decorative. The rest of my office, however, needs some work. So I'm going to do a time lapse and see you when I'm done. I had a whole time lapse of me cleaning my office and it's not loading. I'm going to try to see if I can't drag it to the computer. But if it doesn't load there, then that content is lost. Oh well. Alright guys, our internet's out, so I'm gonna cook some dinner. Can't edit or anything, so I thought, I'll just film some more since I already imported the videos to my computer. I could delete the ones I filmed, and now I have more room. Anyway, dinner tonight's gonna be potatoes, onions, and like these brats. We take them out of the casing. Sadie's gonna help me with taking them out of the casing, so you won't see that part. But I will show you dinner. Here we go. Alright, now we move over to the food. It's cooking. Got butter in there. Alright, I'm just gonna let that cook up and we'll come back when we're ready to add the meat. Okay, so Sadie added the sausage. She got it out of the casing. So now I'm just gonna mix and mash. And let everything cook together. And then in a little bit, we're gonna add some gravy to thicken up this wada. But this is gonna be delicious. This is one of my favorites. It tastes so good. So, yep, we're just gonna keep stirring and stirring, and I'll be back when I add the gravy. Okay, so now I'm gonna add some brown gravy mix. That should help her thicken right up. Stir it. Sorry for the crap job. I should have just put you in the freaking donut hole there. I know it looks like slop, but this is like one of my absolute favorites. I'm just gonna turn it down a little bit and let her cook. All right, guys, that's gonna about do it for tonight. I just want to kind of wrap things up, finish editing this vlog, which I've been doing on Clipchamp, which is pretty cool. Again, then I gotta get dinner put away, do dishes, do some laundry because I still haven't done any. I am not working out today. My body is like, no. And my stomach after dinner was like, no. So we're just done for the day, and I will be back tomorrow night for you guys for another like day in the life type vlog. Bye. Have a good night. Love you guys. Thanks for being here. Mwah!